Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Wednesday, March 14th, 2018. Are you watching this? I mean, it's just too much sometimes. It really, actually, it's the same story. Repeated over and freaking over again. So what happened this morning? Well, we got another round of bad economic news. We found out retail sales have now declined for the last 3 months. And what did that do? Well, the futures traders thought this was a really good bit of news. I mean, we get bad economic news. Futures traders just love it. And triple-digit jump in the futures markets. Dow futures were up over 100 points. It's just, up is down, black is white. Well, these futures traders, again, are taking a beating. Stocks opened higher, because of these lovely futures traders. And now the Dow has turned negative. Speaking of turning negative, bad trade for me. This Intel, I did not see this coming, honestly. I'm not going to sit here and complain about it. I mean, I've had a phenomenal run. I guess I was due for a loss, whatever. I did close this position on the Qs with a 7% gain despite an abysmal 28% loss on my Intel trade. Like I said, can't complain. But I honestly did not see that, especially the way Intel traded earlier yesterday. I mean, it was like off to the races and then just reversed. Enough on that. Let's move forward. So again, bad economic news. Futures traders, have like some kind of religious event and they think it's the greatest thing in the world and they start buying up those futures and they're probably all crying about it right now. It's the same story over and over again. I think these futures traders, I don't know what's wrong with these people. I really don't. They got to start understanding that the market eventually, and when that is, I don't know, is going to react in a normal way. Bad economic news affects the market in a negative way. Positive economic news affects the market in a positive way. Until the Federal Reserve gets out of the way of managing this market, because that's what we have, and you know that, I guess, everything is going to be upside down. It's just terrible. They're buying up bonds right now. Are you surprised about that? I bet you're not. I hope you're watching this on my website. Just glance over at that bond market chart. I mean, they're in there buying. So we'll see how this day plays out. Very volatile market. I don't know. It could go higher. I mean, like I said, initially the market was higher on bad economic news. Now it has turned lower. Who knows what this thing is going to do today, but I can promise you they are going to attempt to prop this up. They're already trying to do that by pushing down rates by buying up those bonds. So let's sit back. I don't think I'm going to enter another position here today. I'm in all cash right now. You know about these. So I'm just going to sit back here and watch the show. Like I said, let's just enjoy the show. It's better than any sitcom you probably ever want to watch. All right. With that said, we will reconvene here at the end of the day. I am certain we're going to have a lot to talk about. By the way, just real quick, Kennedy Financial, the show, Kennedy Financial, I will be live on there tonight, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that should be interesting as well if you get a minute to go check that out. Again, Kennedy Financial. I will. See you later.